Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 18 and 19. Yes, 18 and 18. I just ended up putting it both together because yesterday we didn't really do much. I just recorded it when Wally was cooking, and that was basically it. And then today, oh yeah, I also did a live yesterday. No, day before yesterday. Yeah. So I was kind of tired also because I went to sleep pretty late, and so I didn't have any energy to like be recording, and I didn't have much to do, so I was like, let me not do one video of basically nothing. So today I do have a few things that I need to do. So I am going to be recording that. I do have some gifts that I want to wrap. I don't know if I'm going to get to that today, but I also want to do my nails. I want to put some press-on nails. So you guys might end up seeing that as well. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do. We'll see. But yeah, guys, I am loving my hair. This is like day 2, 3, and I used the thick leave-in conditioner, and my hair is looking so nice. And the fact that I used it by itself, I really love it. This is what I did on my live. I just did my curly hair routine, and I used it by itself, and I love it. It looks so good. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you guys later once I end up doing my nails, and I don't know what else I'm doing, but see you guys later. Oh guys, before I forget, I wanted to show you guys our like little entryway. Now that I put the 3 bookshelves in the room, I took the little short bookshelf and I put it here in the front. So I want to show you guys. So this is what it's looking like. I do want to add more stuff up here. And I did also bring this over here from the room. I need to wash these walls. They're so dirty, but we actually got the brush today to clean like the walls and stuff. So we'll be doing that today. So I added this here. I'm going to decorate this better. I don't know if I'm going to keep the lamp here, to be honest. But this is basically where we put it. And you see, like, since we had our shoes here on the floor, the walls got dirty. So that's another reason why I wanted to have this right here. But yeah, guys, little by little, I'm trying to get stuff, like, to better our, like, decoration, I guess I should say. Little by little. Our goal is to buy a house in the near future. So that's why I'm not getting too many things, but I'm getting stuff that we can use anywhere around the house when we get a house. So yeah, so Wally went now to the clubhouse to grab our brush that we bought to like clean. It has like different heads on them, and you can clean like the tiles, the floor, the walls. So I'm gonna take advantage and use that to like clean the couches, clean the walls, the bathroom. I'm trying to do like a very deep clean, and I figured I might as well get that. It's only like 50 bucks, I think, in Amazon. I'll show you guys once it gets here. I'll do like a little unboxing. So yeah, guys, so I'm so excited. I love cleaning and things to help clean the house. I don't know, it just makes me happy. So I'm gonna show you guys that once we get it. you.